are you looking to use Notion with your ChatGPT account? It is possible, and I use it for my props and a framework for me to use on a repeated basis, and also for a database. And for people who are maybe for knowledge workers, it could be a reliable source of your knowledge for your company or for your particular role in your organization. And for this channel, it is for people who are new to AI, who are knowledge workers, or people who just like to upskill their abilities because of the technology that have changed, and maybe it may impact your life, work life, and also I'm also talking to for people who are neurodiverse, which means different brains from normal people. So if you are interested in this, stay tuned. And what I have done is connected to ChatGPT via Notion, and it's free. The connection for Notion is free, and I have a free account with Notion, so that's free too. But as far as I know, you have to pay for ChatGPT for its work. I'm on the $20 plan, and that's all I have to say for right now. So let's head over to my desktop. Hey everyone, this is my ChatGPT account. I had ChatGPT on Vacant with GPT 5.2 on Vacant Extended, right at the bottom. And I had my input was Notion. I would like to know what's been happening as far as events in my area soon. And it went through the process. It took 9 minutes and 14 seconds, as you can see at the top. And it's used Notion, as you can see at the bottom. And how you access that is click the below Ask Anything, and beside Extended and Vacant is with a plus sign. And you can use it, select more, and how to get it in the first place is extended. So the Explore apps, and this browser will open. Visit on Windows and use the Brave browser if that makes a difference for anyone. Then go to Productivity, then go and look for Notion. And you would have, I'm already logged in, but you would have to log in if you don't have an account. Set up an account or log into your existing account and connect and approve what it's asking you to connect to. Then from there, it brings it back to your chat window. And like I said, I would like to know what's happening as far as events are in my area. And what it did is go to a root-in file, and then it looked at the system prop, which I have put into place. By the way, this is a work in progress, so this is not the final file or the video about this. But anyway, this is what I have so far, and it's pretty exhaustive, so I won't bore you with that. I don't know what happened there. Then it went to rules of faking, and this is how I wanted to fake, and again, this is a work in progress. Then it goes back to, I don't know, do not know why this is happening. Anyway, I'll hide it. Then it goes to vet stacking for me. Then it will read this setup, and it's actually pretty excessive. I have made it so it works for events close to each other and time and space. So then it read my prop, then it went back on, then it went access the internet, pull this from the internet, and from here I'll pick and choose where I want to go and what I want to do, so on and so forth. And so that's how I use it, but I can see people using it for you're a knowledge worker, like I said before, or someone who wants to do something that is not construct a separate system outside your computer. If you're using what's called CLI inline, it's a command line where you can use ChatGPT and other AI systems in your computer, and it can change the files. This is why I'm using Notion, so I can keep my stuff separate from my computer, and if something does go on, it's safe. Anyway, I want to switch back to my webcam so you can see my face. Anyway, give me a moment. Okay, I'm back. So this is new this is a new style for me. So I would probably rough around the edges, but anyway, if I was talking about inline, the command line for AI, it's pretty powerful, but it also can be very destructive to your system. So I would recommend you to, if you want to look into it, you can look into it, but be aware it can be if you don't know what you're doing, it can be pretty bad for your experience. But it's also fast, so there's a trade-off, and I would recommend it for people who know DOS or command line or programming, because it's actually meant for programmers. But I watched a video from Network Chuck, and he went through it and showed me on how to use the agents inside the process. And actually, it's very impressive. I actually may do a video on that at some point. I have to safeguard my data first, so I may do that sooner than later. But if anybody has any questions, please feel free to ask them. You have any other topics that you want me to cover? Again, please tell me. If you like this video, hit the like button. You know anyone who would like to see this or needs to see this, send it to them. And if you are not subscribed, please do so. If any of these actions would greatly appreciated, and it helps the channel. And that's all I have to say for today. And I wish you a great day and rest of your week, and see you later.